In this video, I will show you how to create superscript or subscript in Canva. So you will not find any native option. You can create subscript or superscript manually. I will show you from start. Firstly, in the text, select any text style and type your text. Second, text and enter the any number. Now drag and drop to this top area. Now select both and make group. So this way you can create superscript. Same you can create subscript. Get a text, type your text, duplicate, make another text, duplicate, adjust the size and keep here. You can change color and style. Now select these all and make it group. So now you can keep anyway. So this way you can create superscript or subscript in Canva. Thanks for watching.